Hi, AT from CNC at Home. I want to do a quick project for a trip that I'm taking down to Memphis with a bunch of bandmates. We're going to a studio down there to do some recording for our next album. I want to do a dog tag project for each one of the people in the group so that they can have a little memory of that. And I'll have Memphis 2024 on the back, as that's where we're going and that's the year. The name of the group is Mel-Tepid and Them Soul Ska Farmers, which is a play on words. It's an internal joke kind of thing. Anyway, on the dog tag, I want to have Them Soul Ska Farmer. Not farmers, but farmer, singular. So each of us that's wearing that, we are one of them Soul Ska Farmer. That's our title. Anyway. It's a real simple project. I'm going to do it in light burn. As we can see, I have my template up for doing dog tags, and I just have Them Soul Ska Farmer in here. Then for the back, I just have the words Memphis 2024. Nothing really fancy to go over. I'm not doing anything new that's just putting text onto a dog tag. We've done that a million times. Maybe I'll just put something up here to an older dog tag video if you want to get more details on how that works. Let's go over to the laser and burn out the front and the back of one of these. I'm going to be using the Atom Stack P7. That's a good size for the little dog tags. I like using that. I haven't used it in a few weeks, so thought I'd get that out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let's head over to the laser. Those turned out pretty well. I assumed that they would. I've got one right here. I've got a little chain so I can hang this around my neck. So it says Them Soul Ska Farmer on this side. And then on the back side it does say Memphis 2024. I'll make one of these for each of the people in the group. I'll probably have one or two extra just in case. Maybe I give one to the engineer. Who knows? And there's also a question on one of our members whether they'll be there or not, so I'll need to have one available for that person. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content of our channel, think about subscribing. It really helps us out. This was a shorter video, but I'm kind of busy this week with doing all of the recording and that sort of stuff, so I'm actually going to be coming back from Memphis when this video airs. So hopefully we've had a good time. Enjoy doing your CNC at home projects. Like a dog tag.